Hello friends, good morning. Today we will learn about the topic vocabulary enrichment for class 5th. In this topic we will learn about the name of young ones of animals, the homes of animals and the names of occupation and some synonyms and the antonyms. So let's start the topic vocabulary enrichment for class 5th. The name of young ones of animals. First, the name of animal as ASS. That young ones is called fowl. Cat. That young ones is called kitten. Cat. CAT. That young ones is kitten. 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 Cow. 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 That young ones is called calf. CALF. Bear. That young ones is called cub. CUB. Deer. 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 That young ones is called fawn. FAWN. Dog. 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 That young ones is called puppy. 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 Duck. 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 That young ones is called duckling. DUCKLING. Elephant. 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 That young ones is called calf. 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 Frog. 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 That young ones is called tadpole. Animal. Animal and that young one's name GOAT. Goat. That young one's name is kid. KID. Goose. 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 That young ones is called gosling. GOSLING. Hen. 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 That young ones is called chicken. CHIKEN. Chicken. Horse. HORSE. That young ones is called fowl. FOAL. Fowl. Lion. 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 That young ones is called cub. 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 Owl. 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 That young ones is called owlet. 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 Pig. 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 That young ones is called piglet. PIGLET. Sheep. 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 That young ones is called lamb. 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 Tiger. 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 That young ones is called cub. CUB. Here the bear. The young ones of bear. 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 Lion. 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 Tiger. TIGER. Tigers are called cub. CUB. Now we are going to learn about the homes of animals. Here the name of animals is BEEB. That is called hive. 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 Dog. D-O-G, dog, that whom is called canal. K-E-N-N-E-L, canal. Fish, that whom is water. Hen, H-E-N, hen, they live in coop, C-O-O-P, coop. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse, that whom is called stable. Lion, L-I-O-N, lion, that whom is called den. P-I-G, pig, pig is lived in pigsty, P-I-G-S-T, pigsty. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, that is called hutch, H-U-T-C-H, that home is called hutch, H-U-T-C-H. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, that homes is called pen, P-E-N. Snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake, that homes is called hole. Spider, S-P-I-D-E-R, spider, that home is called web. Snake, home is called hole. People and things, and that home is called aeroplanes, that is called hangar. Babies, that is nursery. Cars, that is garage. Clothes, that is called wardrobe. Eskimos, that live is igloo. Gypsies, that home is called caravan. Monks, that is monastery. Nuns, that home is called convent. Patients, that home is called hospitals. Ships, that home is called docks. And soldiers, that lives in barrack. Now we are going to learn about some occupation. Now we are going to learn about the name of occupation. Look at the list of persons and what they do. One who practices fine arts, that is called artist. One who writes books, that is called author. One who keeps or checks financial accounts, that is called accountant. One who cuts hair, that is called barber. One who makes things or iron, that is called blacksmith. One who sells meat, that is called butcher. One who works with wood, that is called carpenter. One who sells medicines, that is called chemist. One who keeps the records in an office, that is called clerk. One who mends shoes, that is called cobbler. One who treats teeth, that is called one who treats teeth problems, that is called dentist. One who owns and manages a farm, that is called farmer. one who owns and manages a farm, that is called farmer. One who sells flowers, that is called florist. One who makes or repairs things made of gold, that is called goldsmith. 15. One who sells fruits and vegetables, that is called greengrocers. One who decides how a criminal is to be punished is called judge. A person who practices law, that is called lawyer. One who takes care of a library, that is called librarian. A person who builds houses, that is called mason. One who carries luggages, that is called porter. One who brings milks to people's houses daily, that is called milkman. A person who brings milk to people's houses daily, that is called milkman. One who sells newspaper and magazine, that is called news agent or newspaper. 1 who sells newspaper. One who sells newspapers and magazines, that is called news agent. One who flies the plane, that is called pilot. One who flies the plane, that is called pilot. One who flies the planes, that is called pilot. One who makes and sells spectacles, that is called optician. One who sells a ship, that is called sailor. One who is a member of an army, that is called soldiers. One who sells books, pencils, paper, etc., that is called stationer. One who stitches clothes, that is called tailor. Now we are going to learn about some synonyms. Now we are going to learn about synonyms. First is what is called a synonym. A synonym is a word with the same or nearly the same meanings as another words as. First is about, that is called, that's synonym that similar words is nearly. Allow, that synonyms is permit. Anxious, that synonym is worried. Annual, that similar words is yearly. Arrive, that synonym is rich. Beautiful, that synonym is pretty. Big, that synonym is large. Bold, that synonym is brave. Brave, the words which meaning is same is short. Word foolish, that same meaning words is stupid, fun. The similar words is enjoyment, grief. That synonym is sorrow, hollow. That synonym is empty, hot. That synonym is hot. That synonym is warm, injure. That words is hurt, kind. That words is generous, loving. The same meaning words is affectionate, perfect. That same meaning words is ideal. Repeat again the words and the words which is given against it. It is its synonym. About. That's synonym near, allow, permit, anxious, worried, annual, yearly, arrive, rich, beautiful. That's words is pretty, big. That's another word is large, bold. That's brave, brief, short, foolish. That is stupid, fun. That is enjoyment, grief. That's sorrow, hollow. That's empty, hot. That is warm, injure. That is hurt, kind, generous, loving. That's affectionate, perfect. That is ideal. Calm, peacefully, cheerful, happy, clever, intelligent, close, shut, center, middle, costly. That synonym is expensive, daily. That synonym is everyday, definite. That synonym is certain, demand. That synonym is require, difficult. That synonym is hard, bright. That synonym words is shining, enemy. That same meaning words is for, for example, example. Same meaning words is instant, quiet. Its same meaning words is silent, reply, reply, reply. That same meaning words is answer, right. That same meaning words is correct, smell. That similar words is sense, scent, scent. Small. That same meaning words is teeny, soft. That same meaning words is tender, steadily, steady, stead, steady, regular, taste. That is flavor, tidy. That same words is clean, timeless. That same meaning words is unending, unite, unite, unite. That same one meaning words is join, vacant, vacant, vacant. That same meaning words is empty, wealthy, wealthy, wealthy. That same meaning words is rich. Excellent. That same meaning words is superb, fear. That same meaning words is terror, wide, that same meaning words is broad, and weight, that same meaning words is damp. Now we are going to learn about some antonyms. An antonym is a word which is opposite in meaning to another words as words, and that antonyms is or opposite words, and that opposite words above, that opposite is below, except, that opposite word is reject, active, that opposite word is passive, brave, that opposite word is coward, beautiful, that opposite word is ugly, bitter, that the words which meaning opposite meaning is sweet, borrow, borrow, that opposite words is land, bold, that opposite word is timid, bright, that opposite word is dim, care, that opposite word is neglect, increase, that opposite word is decrease, joy, that opposite word is sorrow, junior, senior, kind, that opposite word is cruel, light, that opposite word is heavy, learn, teach, measure, that opposite word is minor, oral, that opposite word is return, peace, that opposite word is war, master, that opposite word is servant, pleasure, that opposite word is plain, clever, that opposite word is stupid, care, that opposite word is neglect, clever, that opposite word is stupid, close, that opposite word is open, dead, that opposite word is alive, direct, that opposite is indirect, enter, exit, failure, success, far, near, foe, enemy, that opposite word is friend, foolish, that opposite word is wise, fresh, that opposite is tell, grain, that opposite word is lose, great, that opposite word is small, hide, that opposite word is seek, honor, that opposite word is shame, 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 master, that opposite word is servant, pleasure, that opposite word is pain, rise, that opposite word is fall, remember, that opposite is forget, sell, that opposite is buy, shallow, that opposite is deep, slow, that opposite word is fast, strong, that opposite word is weak, thick, that opposite word is thin, top, that opposite word is bottom, tall, that opposite word is short, vocabulary, that opposite word is victory, that opposite word is defeat, victory, victory, that opposite word is defeat, warm, that opposite word is cool. Hide, that opposite word is chic. Great, that opposite word is small. Honor, that opposite word is shame. Hope, that opposite word is disappear. Despair, hope, appear, that hope, that hope, hope, that opposite word is despair. Ill, that opposite word is well. Import, that opposite word is export. Wide, that opposite word is narrow. Wake, wake, that opposite word is sleek. Win, 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 that opposite word is loss. Loss, lose, loss. Weep, 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 that opposite word is love. Wait, that opposite word is dry. Okay, my dear, I hope that you have revised, you have learned some name of young ones of animals, home of animals, and also the name of occupation and some opposite words and also some synonym words. And I hope that you will write down all these words in your notebook. Thank you very much.